For some time, I had my eye on the Priority 600X Adventure bicycle, designed in part by my friend Ryan Van Duzer with Priority Bicycles in New York City. My wife had urged me to buy one, but I just couldn't as we dealt with her cancer. The day after she passed away, it was drastically marked down on clearance ahead of a newer model. I ordered it, but the bike arrived on the day of her funeral. I felt so bad the box sat in the hall for 7 months. As my birthday approached, I felt the bike was a gift from her, and so on that day, I took it out of the box.
On the seat post. Let's walk through everything that's enclosed in the box and just put the faceplate on top of them. So you want to make sure that the rotor is going into the caliper. On the other side, so the right and left pedal are side specific, and all the ones you didn't, just to make sure everything's snug and safe.
I'm gonna head toward East Potomac Park. There's no better place in DC to ride a bike than there. Perfect day to ride. Everybody should ride a brand new bike on their birthday, right? I think it's been maybe 60 years since I've done something like that. But this is the greatest bike I've had, and looking forward to some big adventures on it. Cruising in top gear. These are the famous cherry trees, of course not in bloom in the fall. Very nice any time of the year. I'd say that was a successful inaugural ride.